In the following video, I will review a technical analysis I did on the stock of NVIDIA Corporation. The stock of NVIDIA Corporation has been one of the most trending stocks lately, and that's why I thought it would be interesting to do a technical analysis on it with some buy areas and sell areas and explain it in this video to fully let you understand what I did in this analysis and what it actually means. Welcome again to the technical analysis. As I said earlier, we are going to review a technical analysis I did on the NVIDIA Corporation stock. First of all, we are on TradingView. I will also post this idea on TradingView and leave the link down in the description. That way you can actually follow this analysis very well. You can see all the drawings and all the indicators on the chart, and you can see what the price has done after I posted it. We are at the daily time frame candlestick chart. I'm using 4 exponential moving averages for my technical analysis, all with different periods and color coded. And in combination with that, I'm also using Fibonacci retracement, 1 in this case, 2 trend lines, and I am using key levels, which are basically levels of support and resistance put together into one level or area, which I call key levels. So basically we are going to do a technical analysis on what the price has done. This is purely a technical analysis. It is not a fundamental analysis. If anything happens to the company or the industry, that could use or that could do some very big moves in this price, and then this technical analysis will become completely invalid. So keep that in mind. So basically what I will do is I will first add this, and I have located some interesting price areas in specific time periods where I think it would be a very good idea to buy or sell the NVIDIA stock. So first of all, if we're looking at the price of the NVIDIA stock right now, we can see that it has actually been ranging between the 217 and the 230, basically bouncing up and down between it. And I have sketched out 2 scenarios in my price analysis on which I planned these trades. The first scenario would be that the price breaks through this key level. Then I think this green box would be a very good buy area, both as a hold area. So if you want to buy the NVIDIA Corporation stock for the long term, I think it would be a very interesting price area, but also for if you want to trade, of course with a sufficient stop loss under the green box, because if you wanted to trade it, or basically why this area is very good, is because of the Fibonacci, the key level, the trend line third touch, which is very strong, and the 50 exponential moving average, which is actually providing support at this level right now. So that's the first scenario, that it breaks through this key level, it bounces on top of this, and that goes together with that if it bounces off of this level, it will actually, I think, break through this key level. It might not break through it the first time, but when it eventually breaks through it, I think this would be a very good buy area again, both as a trade and a hold area. So if you are too late and the price has broken through here, touch this area, went above, and it's right here, I think this would be a very good break of the key level and retest, so a buy area again. So that's basically the first scenario. And the second scenario is that if it doesn't break this key level, I don't think the purple box would be a good buy area. So don't buy at the purple box if the price hasn't broken this key level. But I do think that when this key level right here, which it is bouncing on right now, if that is combined with this trend line and possibly a EMA, but that's not necessary if it is coupled with this trend line. So in this area kind of, I do think that then it would be a good trade again and a good hold area. So that's basically the second scenario, and those are my two, depending on the scenario, 3 buy areas, I think, because I am quite bullish on the NVIDIA corporation stock. So that's why I am not really comfortable at setting sell areas. I have set one sell area though, which is more of a speculative sell area. This is practically based on the 250 price point, which is a psychological key level, psychological resistance. It's a 1/4,000 round number, and then together with this trend line, third touches always seem to be quite strong. So depending on what the price does, of course, I think this would right now, if price just organically moves up, I think this would be a good sell area. But I will make sure to post updates on it, possibly on my Instagram account, if price actually gets closer there. So having said that, we have actually reached the end of this analysis. I hope to have provided you with some insight and some knowledge on this particular stock. But if you have any questions about this analysis or about the NVIDIA Corporation stock, please make sure to ask them down in the description, and I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. As for now, this was the end of the video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.